Hi, I'm Kevin Duffy from Tax, Wealth, and Financial Services. Do you own a business or are you thinking of starting one? Part of the startup process or managing your current business is tracking your finances and managing them to make a profit. Keeping your money on track is key to helping your business be successful and withstand any fluctuations. The first step I always say to them is, what type of business are you going to do? And no matter what it is, I say to them, why? And then they'll tell me, oh, I've always done this and I'm going to do a business making money doing this. And then the biggest question I say is, do you enjoy that type of a business? Because if you enjoy it, we can make money doing it. If you don't enjoy it and you're doing it just because it makes money, you're going to fail. Somewhere along the line, you're going to fail because every business, when people go into it, they always say, in the first 5 years, most business fail. And that's because people lose interest in it or they just don't do what it takes to make a business successful. I've had a client came to me the other day, I'm gonna start a business, and she goes, I have all the paperwork together, I have my resumes, I have a website. I'm like, do you have clients? The answer is no. So you're spending all this money to start a business, but you don't have clients in that business yet. You have to find something that you can wake up in the morning and be excited to do. So we can do all the legal paperwork, we can put a business plan together, but if you have a clientele coming in, we can make the business successful. That's where I can help them to say, do you have these other things to make sure the business continues? How do you treat your customers? How are you tracking your finances? Are you relying on the money that comes in so you can spend it right away? Or are you taking the money in and reinvesting in your business to make your business grow? So it depends on what they're doing that's going to make that business successful or not. That's the first thing I do. And to be honest, and I say it to the clients all the time, why do I ask the questions? Because if you're asking me to help you grow your business and you're not listening to my advice, you're probably going to fail. And if you're going to fail, I never get paid. So I'm helping you do something and it's never going to be successful. So that's why I ask the questions. I want to help the person succeed, but they have to have a plan in place as far as what the business is about, how are they going to operate the business, and if it excites them and they enjoy it. If that's the case, 50% of the work is out of the way already and it'll probably be successful. I've asked certain people when they came in, they said they're working, and I said, okay, now is the perfect time. If you're going to start a business, start it now while you're working. And the reason is because you could start growing a business, and if you really don't like that business, you still have a job. But if you get to retirement and you start a business and it fails, you're back to square one again. That's my biggest issue when people say that to me. That's why I say to them all the time. Do it while you're working, because if it fails, you really didn't lose anything. So those are the questions I ask. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about the components of financial planning specific to first responders. Let's discuss your plan and make sure you are set up to reach your financial goals. Click on the link below to make an appointment or call my cell at 732-910-9207. I look forward to hearing from you.